Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this box, we have all kinds of duty gear that's great for security, enforcement, and even some stuff that can be used for everyday carry. Let's go ahead and check it out. First thing is the West Slope Hydration Chest Bag. This is a 2-liter hydration pack that has front straps that attach to your plate carrier or your vest, giving you more of a horizontal carry position so you do and get that bouncing up and down while you are running or moving. It's also just great for carrying a bunch of extra gear, keeping it off your hips, giving your hips a little bit more room to move. The way it opens is like a clamshell opening right down the middle, giving you access to all of your gear inside, and it's got a nice big hose hole as well for your hydration bladder. Now, this particular one is set up for the Blue Force Gear Haley Strategic Alpha Plate Carrier, so if you are interested in picking one of these up, they do have a couple different versions. You can pick the one that fits your plate carrier or your vest, or just find a way to mount it that works for you. Next, we have a pair of handcuffs. These are the Smith & Wesson Model 300P hinge nickel handcuff with a push-pin double locking system. So this is basically the exact same handcuff that law enforcement and the military uses. It's just the standard. If you've ever seen anything like this before, they're great for restraining people that need to be compliant and stay put. Next, we have the Glock 17 Gen 5 pepper gun. This is a training tool that can be used by law enforcement, security, and anyone else that needs something non-lethal for self-defense. Basically, this fires pepper spray bullets, which are about as effective as firing an OC spray. I want to say that this does require some sort of training because you do and want to just go around blasting people with pepper spray because it can be very dangerous. But when used properly, it's great for self-defense and de-escalating situations. Next, we have a flashlight. This is the Pelican 7600944 lumen flashlight. This thing is really bright and has several different modes, including a high, low, and a flashing strobe mode. It is great for any low visibility situation, and the fact that it is Pelican made means that it is very durable and it is waterproof and just built to last. Next, we have the METEC USA folding knife. This is a spring assist folding knife with a glass breaker and a seat belt or strap cutter on the outside of the knife. Knives are always useful no matter what you do. Just having something to cut boxes or cut tape, or in this case, also being able to break glass and cut seat belts makes this thing an even better choice for security and law enforcement officers. Now, next, we have the C37 replica smartphone. This is actually made in China, but it's sold on TikTok as the S24 Chinese make. Basically, it is just a burner phone that you can use for backup communications, or maybe you are in a situation where you need to document something or take pictures and you don't necessarily want to use your main phone. This is great for that. You can use it for taking pictures, recording video, making phone calls, and sending text messages. And it also has a lot of cool features like night vision mode, and it is currently set up to work with WhatsApp and Facebook, so it's great for communicating even overseas. Next, we have a fleece watch cap. This is a stretchy poly spandex blend that will keep your head warm in cold weather, and it is also great for concealing your face in certain situations. I know a lot of people who work in security or law enforcement, especially undercover, really like these. Next, we have a pair of hard knuckle gloves. These are great for close quarter fighting or just having something to protect your hands when things get rough. Next, we have the Pyram XI Force Sporty Dual Pane Anti-Fog Goggles. These are great for wearing in dusty or foggy environments where you need clear vision. They also come with a face shield, ballistic nylon carrying case, and a strap, so you can wear them comfortably around your neck until you need them. Next, we have a 4-pack of Quest bars, the chocolate chip variety. Quest bars are great for a little bit of sustenance during those long shifts where you do and have time to sit down and eat a real meal. Next, we have 2 notepads. Having a small notepad is great for jotting down quick notes, incident documentation, or field reporting. Next, we have a tourniquet. This is just a basic life-saving piece of equipment that every security officer, law enforcement officer, and first responder should have in their personal trauma kit. Next, we have the Pocket Constitution. This is a nice little book that has the U.S. Constitution along with the Bill of Rights and other important documents published in the order that they were written. It is great for keeping in your pocket and referring to quickly when those tough constitutional questions come up. Next, we have the Powerbeats Pro wireless earphones. These are great for listening to music or podcasts or just having something to pass the time while you are on downtime. The Powerbeats Pro is a durable pair of earphones that can withstand a lot of wear and tear, perfect for throwing in your bag and bringing with you on a shift. And last but not least, we have the Aplap Max, which is the Chinese version of the Apple Watch. This is a detachable Android smartwatch that can tell the time, track your activity levels, and even send you notifications from your phone. If you're looking for a cheap smartwatch that's easy to use, this might be a good option for you. That's everything I've got for you today. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up, and as always, thanks for watching.